It's pretty dark. I don't think any lights aren't going to stop any predators from coming over here. I got that one. That's cool. Clyde's over there. I'm assuming all the girls are inside. I haven't closed the door yet. Oh, somebody closed the door. Cool. But it's dark over here. See what we could do about that. I just found this package right here. Let's see what's in here. Whoa, what are these? That looks like a solar panel light. Somebody sent us a solar panel light. So this light is pretty cool because it's pitch black right now. So setting number 1, setting number 2, setting number 3. So it has a sensor setting, a regular setting, and a lighting setting. Now, so everybody can see nothing kind of my truck. That's on lighting number 3. See what it looks like on lighting number 1. That's completely off. See, pitch black out here. Lighting number 1. This thing is bright. I like it. Yeah. So welcome back. It's your boy TP. Welcome back. I'm here on the ranch right now, and as you saw last night, it's pretty dark, and I found that box of these solar panels. These are the SakerPlus solar lights. They give 100,000 looms, 220 degree wide coverage, all weather resistant, solar charge, remote control. They have remote controls. Look at that. They come with little remote controls, the mountain brackets and everything. There's 3 modes. The first mode is on. What does it say? The first mode says light stays off until motion is detected. So that's your first stealth mode. Lights off, something comes on. That'll be your best battery saving option. Then you got mode 2, which is the light remains on like a dim stage. And then when something comes on, it just gets super bright. Then mode 3, which is just bright all the time. And if you want that, that's up to you. But we're gonna test these out. So I'm finna install these, and these are gonna go over in the goat area. We're gonna see how it looks tonight. Looks like it should be a pretty easy installation. What in the world is this? I know they work. They bright. We saw them working yesterday. How the fuck you open this thing? So click on it there. What the fuck? So that goes sideways. So that's your adjustable. Has your bracket, slides on sideways like that. Bam. So that's one set up, ready to go. Here, let's turn it this way. You can stay charging. This next one. Got that good wind up here, as you already know. So that's what that is. Yeah. Get that on there like that. Oh, that's a big boy. That's a big boy. All right. They gave me some screws, but I'm gonna use my own most likely. Let's see. So we're gonna put it on this here wood. I got some 2x4s over here as well. Let's get this down a little bit. You don't want to go that way. So yeah, it would have to go all the way down to be at level, street level like that. Okay, all the way down for street light looking type situation. So what holds that into that? Does it just click? Oh yeah, it is. It's just a little clicking mechanism. Just simple click. That should hold that in there. This should hold that up, I hope. Got the hummingbirds out today. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here first. Then I'm gonna slide the solar panels in. So that's in there, like swimwear, in there like swimwear. And I got my Mad Max going on, so just in case I gotta break this down. You know what I mean. Let's get that in there like that. You're supposed to snap on like that. There we go. That's gonna make a great light. We're gonna put that over there, yeah. This ain't gonna be bright. I'm excited. Since it's so windy out here, I'm gonna leave it taken apart until I get them all together. All right. Let me get this other one on right quick. Bam, done. See, I got you. Let's make sure you get in there real good. What's up, Ray? Another one. Bam. All right, let's go get these up. Somewhere. And then we can look at them later. Real quick though. Check out that potato. I just took a whole russet potato. Just threw it in a grow bag and threw some water in there now. I got potatoes coming out. Always got to throw a gardening thing in there right quick. All right, let's go get them. So I got all my stuff here. Strapped to my X Pro ATV. We got a video about that too if you want to check it out. About this Amazon ATV. So that's pretty cool. If you want something affordable right quick. So I'm thinking one on this corner. Let's get that done right quick. This wood's a little cracked, so this one I'm gonna save for my other light. This one right here seems solid. Let's get on the inside right here. Light's gonna click on right there. It should be tall enough, or if I want, I could go to here. I think I'm gonna go to here. Looks fun. Let's get a light on there. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. I ain't even worried about it. It ain't going nowhere. Yeah. And that should be enough sun. Even though I don't have the panel facing this way towards the south, the sun should be enough to keep it going, even though it's not pointed in the right direction. All right, let's go get this other one done. Oh, so I think this one is going to go right up here. I'm going to run it along this doorpost right here so it can stretch up. That way it could cover Mikey and Clyde. What's up, Mikey? What's up, Clyde? And Penny, Bonnie, and Willow. Hi. You came to see what I was talking about? You came to see what I was talking about? Hmm? So again, sorry guys, I'm about to lock y'all in here for a second. Don't be bad. Y'all could come out. That's up to you. Just like that other post I did, I'm gonna go ahead and pre-drill, but let me see where I want it at. Got studs right here. So uneven surface right here too. So that means there's a gap behind my hand. We can fix that though. Let's get this top part drilled in. Right at that eye right there. Wait, where's the break at? This is the weaker one. Oh, it's kind of hollow right here, so we gonna go right here. Yeah. We gonna do it like that, just so that way we got some stabilization right there, just in case this cracks in the wind. And I think I can stand on this and insert the light. Mikey, I'm trying to shoot a video. Why is you making that much noise though? Be quiet. Just gonna slurp that way. Let's do some fun stuff. Oh, still not tall enough. At 6'5", I'm still not tall enough. Come here, table. It's up there. So now I don't need this one anymore because that's what was up here. Just make sure we on. I think I got it set to mode too. We'll see later on. Now to get down safely. Hey, once again, this is TP from WPR Ranch, and those are the SakerPlus solar panel lights. And these things are 100,000 lums, 220-degree view, like light spectrum view. Man, that's amazing. That's probably the brightest light I got on the ranch. Thanks for tuning in. God bless y'all. Stay tuned. Link in the bio. And as you can see, ooh, those are bright. Look at how much light you got over there. It's like a stadium. Well, different because I lost my other phone. So this is looking pretty good. We got one light up there. Look at that thing. That thing's bright. So there's this other light. This is pretty bright. Let's look at it once this light go all the way down over here, because right now this is what we looking like. It's looking good. This is solar lights. This is brighter already. Looking like a stadium over here. That's on mode 2. So they haven't even popped off yet. Let's see what happens when I walk closer to it. That one went off. Still brighter than normal. Put these goats away. Brighter than it usually is. Ain't that right, Mikey? This one turned on. Now that one clicked on right there. One clicked on. And it is bright out here. See how we couldn't see Mikey earlier, but now it clicked on. Now I can see Mikey. What's up, Clyde? What's up, guy? You want some too, you can kiss. You don't have to headbutt him like that though, cuz. All right, now you see how dark it is when it's not on? That's just in the ambient mode. Let's make some motion detect. Motion detect. Bright lights. That's pretty good. It's a nice light. I like it.